Borden Beach going to Romblon. This is the time na papunta na kami sa port. Punta na kami ng Batangas port na to. So, nasasakyan kami going to Cubao kasi we have to go to the bus station. So, if magko-commute ka going to Romblon, yun yung first step. You have to find a bus papunta sa Port of Batangas. So, this is the first time na sumakay si Gerald ng bus. Ayan, tulog na sila. Medyo pagod. Pagod sa biyahe agad. And then, eto na, nung dumating kami sa Port of Batangas. Yung, nag-chilling na kami dyan. Kasi usually, ang alis ng barko, nag-to-go pala kami na barko. So, ang alis ng barko is around mga 5 p.m. na. Kasama nga pala namin yung family din ng kuya ko. So, yan. They are playing. Yung mga pamangkin ko, naglalaro sila dyan. They are playing kasi kailangan nilang mapagod. Grabe yung energy nila. Pero good thing kasama yung mga bata kasi first time nilang mag-travel papunta sa Romblon. And Romblon pala is the hometown of my parents. So, my mom and my dad are from Romblon. So, while waiting, ayun na nga, nung nakapasok na kami ng barko, tulog ang bata. So, we pick yung tourist ng to-go kasi wala ng cabin during that time. So, we have no choice. Kailangan namin mag-tourist. Pero comfortable naman yung tourist nila. So, that's my husband, David. And that's my son, natulog, si Gerald. Napagod na sa all day na biyahe namin. Ayan, so nandito na nga kami sa Romblon. Hindi na ako nakapag-video nung nasa port kami ng Odyongan. Pero, ang usual means ng transportation dito is yung mga ganito, mga single na motorcycle. So, from the port of Odyongan, we got picked up by my auntie. And we're staying at my auntie's house. And here is, ito yung nag-travel ako. I have to visit some friends. So, yeah, I'm just giving you some tour or road trip tour of what it's look like. So, it's a beautiful island. Papansin nyo, wala masyadong sasakyan. So, it's really nice for road trips like this. So, actually, kaya mong ikutin yung buong Romblon in just a day kung naka-motorcycle ka. So, actually, yung brother ko, he did. So, kayang-kaya naman. And, ayan na nga. So, matadaanan natin dito yung cemetery. Kung nasaan ang aking dad. Yeah, that one. The white one. That's my dad.
Oh, you give me the...
Oh, pogi muna, pogi. Oh! Ay, talaga naman yan, no. Pogi, pogi, pogi. Oh! Kasabi, walang kakapitan, eh. Aba, pogi, ah. Oh, oh. Aba, pag ganyan-ganyan ka ba talaga? Pogi, pogi, pogi. So my auntie's house is actually walking distance from the beach, but we have to rent an Airbnb beside, as in beach. Sa gilid talaga siya ng beach. And yeah, we put up a tent aside from our rooms. Outside, pwede ka kasing maglagay ng tent. And ayan, first na nakapag-swimming din after a long trip. And first ni Gerald na makapag-swimming sa Romblon. And here's my brother trying to soak him sa water. And now we're going to Lo'ok Sanctuary. So, together with all my aunties, my brother's family, and yan, my husband and Gerald, and isang boat kami lahat. Actually, Lo'ok Sanctuary is located in Lo'ok, Romblon. It is one of the tourist spots in Romblon. Magandang mag-snorkel dito kasi they are really maintaining and taking care of the marine diversity and coral reefs in this area. Bawal ang mga fishermen at mga isda around that area. Talagang kino-conserve nila yan. So, ayan, together with my family in the middle of that ocean, meron raft kung saan kayong pwede magstay. And meron din mga activities like fish feeding and yeah, snorkeling. Na ako nakapag-take ng videos kasi I was like really busy during this time. So, yeah, but you better check that out of your bucket list kapag pupunta kayo na Romblon. So, yeah, you have to ride a motorboat from the Lo'ok port going to the raft in the middle of the ocean. Tapos doon kayo magstay, you can bring baon, you can bring food, and yeah, for the safety, of course, they provide life jacket, and I forgot na pagkano ang entrance, pero there's a minimal amount of payment that you have to pay just to go there to help the LGUs na din. Yeah, so yeah, that's the raft that I was like talking about. So you guys can stay there for like an hour, pero pwede naman mag-extend. And take note, there is no bathroom there. So you have to go pee and do your business dun pa lang sa port.
Pero ba, Chico?
Picture! Picture! That's my husband David enjoying the snorkeling, and that's the second time here in Lo'ok Sanctuary, so sobrang it never failed to amaze him every time. Maganda ng saturation ng cellphone.
Magbati na kayo. Magbati na kayo.
Binukot Beach is located in Ferrol, Romblon. Isa din to sa mga tourist spots. Grabe, very clear ang water dito. Yan, kung makikita nyo. The sand is not as fine as it is in Boracay, pero grabe yung water. Sobrang clear talaga siya. And sobrang malamig. And if you can see naman yung scenery, grabe, maganda, sobrang maganda. So if you're trying to relieve some stress, gusto mo mag-unwind, put Romblon in your bucket list kasi this is one of the tourist destination na hindi ganun kadami yung tao sa mga beach, and talagang babalik-balikan mo talaga siya, and panlaban talaga din yung mga views dito. So yeah, this is the wrap up our Romblon tour. Like and subscribe.